Hi guys, and welcome back for another video. So if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you will join the family, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really love and appreciate you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this turban style right here. What you're going to need is a raw silk scarf. This one right here is from Pink Fleur. Fantastic quality, fantastic customer service, and it's really easy to work with. You'll also need a few pins, about 3 or 4 ish, yeah. Before we get into this video, I just want to check in on you and just see that you guys are all doing well. We need to be staying at home, adhering to government guidelines during these really strange times. The sooner we do that, the sooner this will all go away, inshallah. So yeah, stay safe guys, stay at home. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So you're going to take your raw silk scarf. This one's from Pink Fleur. As you can see, it's quite a big one. So yes, you're going to create folds and then put it on your head like this. So I'll leave a link in the iCards showing you how to create those folds. So make sure you click on that link to see exactly how I did that. And you're going to take the 2 sides round to the back. They're both equal sides, but equal lengths, by the way. And you just cross them over round at the back like I've just done. Now what you're going to do is you're going to bring one side over your head. So if you're going to do your flower, like you decide which side you're going to do your flower on basically, and then you're going to meet them in the middle, kind of around the point where you want your flower to be. It will make sense in a second. So you take it over and you're going to create a few more folds as well as you do this. Okay, so it probably would be a good idea to get somebody to help you at this stage, because somehow I managed to do it by myself, but it definitely would have been a lot easier if at this kind of stage you got some help, someone to help hold that side for you, because you need to now then bring that other side up, okay, to meet at that middle point. Okay. Ooh. So you just bring it up, and don't worry too much if it doesn't look perfectly neat, because you can always go back and adjust it. Okay, so yeah, bring that side up. You're kind of meeting them at that point there where your flower's going to be, and then all you need to do at this point is to start twisting one of the sides around the other. So yeah, just wrap one side around and then wrap the other side around, and literally like you will form a flower. It's honestly, there's no art to it. You just twist round, twist one round, twist the other round, and boom, you've got a wee bit of a flower. Okay. So yeah, and if you need to use pins, then you can do. I think I use like 2 or 3 pins for that front bit for the flower, just to hold it down and stuff. It's just a matter of adjusting it really until it looks right for you. Okay, and then like I said, just adjust it as you see fit. And I just felt a bit of a loose bit at the back there, so I just pinned it down. So obviously, you know, if you need to use more pins, use more. Okay, and that annoying bit of thread dangling down is from my jacket. I didn't realise it until the very end. And yeah, pretty much there. Oh yes, that flower's looking good. So just a final mirror check, and I've had this mirror for like ages, but I don't know why I don't want to remove the tag from it. But anyway, and just adjusting, and I think that looks fantastic. I'm not even gonna lie. What do you guys think? Do you like this one? Would you wear this style? Let me know in the comments section below. It looks a lot harder than it is, so yeah, so neat, lovely. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.